You don't care for me, never treat me right. Undeniably, all we do is fight. I don't understand the things you do, so tell me, why do I care for you? You don't ask me in when I'm at your door. I know it's a sin to love you more and more. I know that it's crazy, but it's true. Tell me, why do I care for you? We've got a lot of history, but that's all in the past. This feeling is a mystery to me. I tried to talk myself out of the way I long for you, but I'm afraid it's hopeless as can be. I didn't want no trouble, I tried so